Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. I'm actually on my way over to Melbourne Beach, the east coast of Florida. I've got several estimates over there. But I wanted to mention that this summer we're putting together the tour. I guess you could call it the tour. You know, any place that it rains in the country, we get calls. It doesn't matter. It could be in Arizona, it could be in Missouri, Oklahoma. But we receive calls. A lot of them are consultation calls, the FaceTime, Skype video consultation. That, by the way, is very full. So if you want to get on that schedule, you need to go ahead and use the service sign up. But we receive calls all over the country, and they're usually foundation issues. They're not French drains. Usually the homeowners can take care of that, or they could find somebody to do that, a landscaper or another contractor. But the foundation issues, homeowners are really afraid of that contractor that they've got out there. And the reason why that they have this fear is because they've got estimates that range anywhere from $30,000 to $50,000, $60,000 to solve, you know, a foundation waterproofing problem. And you know, that's just extremely high. I do realize that cost of living is different, you know, in all parts of the country, but wow, is that high. So we're going to start our tour the end of May. We're going to go to Bethesda, Maryland, and there's a crawl space there. The man has tried his best to find a contractor that he trusts, but he can't. He doesn't feel comfortable with those people. He did a video consult and really liked me, like, you know, what we present, and so he's asked me to come there. So it's just going to be me, and the way that works is that he's going to go ahead and have the labor. He'll hire all the laborers, and he'll buy materials, and he's going to basically pay for me to be there. I'm going to work too, but he's going to pay for me to come, pay all the time and travel to come there. So it's not that bad, but it's definitely not $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 to waterproof a crawl space. I don't care where you live, and I don't care what kind of crawl space it is. That's just extremely high. But from Bethesda, we're going to go to Indianapolis, and from Indianapolis to Oklahoma, and then to San Diego. We're still scheduling, so we're going to probably have a few other calls, you know, that we'll pick up along that way. Again, it's just me. If you can't find a local contractor, you know, give us a call. Let me see if I can fit you into that schedule. I've got about a month that I'm going to take and travel and try to do this. Looking forward to doing all the videos and meeting all the people as well. Like I said, any place that it rains in the country, it doesn't matter where it is, we will get calls. In fact, we even got a call in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Same kind of thing as a foundation issue. It was a walkout basement. That lady told me she had estimates of $80,000+ to solve this water problem, and she was shocked. And you know what? I actually referred that to the French drain guy. I don't know if she called him or not, and I don't know if he would travel to that area, and or I don't know if he would actually, if he does that type of work. But it would be a great call, and I do think that he's capable of doing that type of work. If you can't find a local contractor, yeah, please feel free to call us. I've got 1 month this summer that we're going to travel. Oh, we're going to go to Nashville too, I forgot. There's two calls in Nashville, Nashville and Memphis, so same thing. But if you've got a problem that you can't find a local contractor, feel free to give us a call, and I'll try to fit you into the schedule. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.